like apple cider, but your head is smelling like fruit punch, and I don't even like you that much. Wait, I do. Fuck.
What is a thunderstorm? How is it formed? What are the causes and effects of this hazard? Well, on this part of the video, my classmate will be explaining what it is starting now.
Hi everyone, I'm Mananika Santiago, and for today I'm gonna explain what is thunderstorm. Thunderstorm or weather condition includes thunder, lightning, rain, and occasionally severe winds or hail. It occurs when warm, wet air rapidly rises into the atmosphere, cools, and forms massive cumulonimbus clouds. Inside these clouds, ice and water droplets smash, generating electric charge that causes lightning. The sound of thunder is produced by the fast expansion of or heated by the lightning bolt. In short, thunderstorm is defined as thunder, lightning, rain, and strong winds. Thank you.
Well, there you have it. Thank you, Hannah, for that wonderful explanation. That's what a thunderstorm is. Specifically, how it is formed and how it affects us. Next up, the safety response regarding this hazard. Both Joanna and Christina, please take the lead.
Thunderstorms are powerful weather events that can bring heavy rain, lightning, and strong winds. It's important to know the early warning signs so we can stay safe and prepared. The sign of a coming thunderstorm is the appearance of dark and heavy clouds. The sky starts to look gray or black and the air becomes humid. The second sign is strong and sudden wind. You may feel the wind blowing harder than usual before the rain starts.
Third sign is when you see flashes or lightning or hear rumbles of thunder. This means that the thunderstorm is getting closer. Another early sign is a sudden drop in temperature. The air feels cooler even if it was hot earlier. Soon after, raindrops begin to fall, which can quickly turn into heavy rainfall.
Thank you for that informative statements about the safety response for thunderstorm. Additionally, we can also inquire an emergency kit before a thunderstorm forms, just to be even more safe. And at this time on, we will let Kashli Denosta explain and demonstrate with an emergency kit.
Good day everyone. Today I will discuss how to prepare for a thunderstorm by creating a complete emergency kit. Thunderstorms may seem ordinary, but they can bring lightning, strong wind, power outage, and lastly, flooding. So being prepared is essential. First, you're gonna need a food and water. During a severe thunderstorm, roads may become dangerous and stores may close. That is why we need at least 3 days supply of non-perishable food. These include canned goods, biscuit, energy bars, and food that won't spoil easily. And water. Water, 1 gallon per person per day. This is important for drinking and basic hygiene since water supplies may be interrupted. And a manual can opener. If you're relying on canned foods, you need a can opener, especially if there's no electricity. So, second, you need a communication and power. A battery-powered or hand-crank radio, preferably a NOAA weather radio. This provides a real-time weather updates and emergency alerts even without electricity. A cell phone with a charged and backup battery. Keeping your phone powered ensures you can contact family members or emergency lines or services. And lastly, you need a heavy-duty flashlight. This is important during blackouts to help you move safely inside your home. And lastly, the most important is health and safety. Accidents during thunderstorm can happen. So it's important to have a first aid kit with essential supplies. This allows you to treat your minor wounds, cuts, or injuries. If medical help is delayed. For closing, thunderstorm can be unpredictable, but with the right supplies and preparation, we can stay safe and ready for any situation. Building an emergency kit is a simple step, but it can make a big difference when disaster strikes. Thank you and stay safe, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Denosta, for all that presentation just to ensure the viewers' safety. And now, last but not the least, we will be having a short roleplay showcasing people on response drills within a thunderstorm.
Ganda ng araw ngayon, di ba? Nakalabas tayo.
Oo nga, no? Ang sarap pa namang nakataas ng bike. Pero teka, parang gumigil na. Oo nga, no? Hindi ko lang, bakit thunderstorm? Ako, anong gagawin natin kung mag-thunderstorm? Ano po yan? Sabi sa television, huwag daw tayong pumunta sa mga open area or sa ilalim ng puno. Tama, pwede tayo sa ligtas na lugar. Punta tayo dun.
Sige, tara, takbo.
Takbo na tayo. Oo nga eh, no? Sabi ko, kapag kumigit ka, hindi natin gamitin sa cellphone yung mga payong na bakal. Save na tayo, mabuti na lang, hindi natin mga safety tips. Kaya nga.
Tapos na rin ako lang.
Salamat at alam natin ang gagawin. Oo nga, dahil ko talaga. Thunderstorm is good. Tama! Be prepared, stay calm, and stay safe.